Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. I would like for you guys to like, comment, and subscribe and let me know how you guys feel about this video. The unit that I will be installing today is going to be a Russian Blonde lace front unit by BOSSUPEXTENSIONS in 26 inches. This unit will also come with an elastic band as well as combs for the extra support. I then like to take my time and comb away all of the flyaways and baby hairs, so once we begin the next step applying the lace glue, nothing will be in the way of the process. Personally, I like to go and apply the lace glue at least 4 times. In between each of the process, I like to let it dry completely clear before applying another layer. Once you let the adhesive dry, you want to go through both sides and double check and make sure that everything is dry completely clear and that your lace add up from ear to ear. Here's the fun part. I like to start from the middle and make sure that everything lines up from ear to ear before pressing down and sealing the lace. Now don't press down too hard, ladies, because once you begin this process, if any mistake is made, it's going to be so hard to lift that lace and make it correct. Securing the lace by the ear, you want to go through the other side of the lace wig and repeat those same exact steps, making sure that everything matches up from ear to ear. And there you have it, ladies. Again, I'm the Theellexperienc. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys like what you see. And if you would like to see more, please like this video. And I'll see you guys later.